warm, cold and yummy. J is for jam, spread it on your tummy. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, where birds sleep at night. O is for orange, round and neat. P is for penguin, waddling feet. A, B, C, D, come sing along. Learn the alphabet with this fun song. Easy to say, fun to play. Let's sing our ABCs every day. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rabbit who loves to be fed. S is for sun, lighting the day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella when it starts to rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for xylophone, play a melody. Y is for yo-yo, spinning all around. Z is for zebra with stripes that sky.